Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. In this weekly analysis, I'm going to take out time to show you what direction the market is going to be taking. Okay, so I will show you what I'm seeing, show you the directional bias that I'm predicting for the week, I'm speculating for the week, and I hope that you pay close attention to all that I'm going to be guiding you with. Now make sure you are attentive, okay? Don't blow your accounts, don't take entries that has not been confirmed, because if you keep doing that, you keep losing money and you will never grow in this industry. Alright, so quickly let's go to the chart. Let me show you a few things for the weekly analysis. The dollar index has done so far. It's no longer bearish, it's now bullish. Okay, so we have let's see the 24 hours. Let's confirm what exactly it's doing right now. So you can see that the 24 hours also is looking bullish. It's looking bullish. Okay, it's still looking a bit bearish. So let's go back to the 4-hour. So here is what I will be trading on 24-hour. This. Okay, and then this. So that's the reason why it looks bearish. Okay, looks bearish. So but for the 4-hour, which is what tells us exactly what's trading this new week, the 4-hour is, look at it now. There was a new high formed here, and that's been taken out. Sorry, the 4-hour line is already there, so I haven't taken that out. So this is a bullish, 4-hour. So what does that tell you? It tells you that anytime I have a bullish confirmation on the XY, I will be going bearish and GU. So this is what I'm going to do with GU. Each time I have a bullish confirmation, I go bearish with GU. Just like I was supposed to catch this move, but I think I was not on the system by then. Same thing with EU. For those of you on the VIP channel. So that's what I'm going to be trading. Then as for silver commodity, so it has actually come down already. It's giving the bearish confirmation. So I'm trading silver bearish this week. Take notes. I'm trading silver bearish this week. Okay. And people USDT, it's been bearish, but it has taken out this, and with that I'm considering going bullish now. On people USDT, anything from here to here would be bearish. Okay, but anything from here to here will be bullish. So but better still for me on people USDT, I'm going to be going bullish once I have the bullish confirmation. And on Tesla has given me bearish move. Okay, so any bearish confirmation, I'm going to go bearish on Tesla. AJ has been on a bullish move. I find any bullish confirmation, I'll keep going bullish with AJ. Take note of that. It was previously bearish, but now bullish. Sorry. Okay, so take note of that. AG, I'm going to be going bullish. GJ, I told you that the directional bias is not very clear, so I'm going to, it's still bearish. Okay, so but I'm going to just be sure of the directional bias before I know what to trade there, because I don't want to keep on losing money. US 30 is for the VIP, NASDAQ is for the VIP. So I think that will be all on Forex, crypto, stocks, CFDs. On the synthetics, I told you I'm going to create more time this week, unlike last week that I didn't quite give you any entry on the synthetics. So I'm going to give you an entry on jump. Okay, I'm going to give you an entry on volatility 25. So let's just look at it quickly and let's see what it is looking like this week. So as for volatility 25, it's bearish, and as for jump 25, it's bearish. So that's what I'm going to be trying. Alright, so thank you for taking out time to look at the chart with me. I hope that with all that I've guided you with for the week, you are ready, you're fired up, and you already have a clear directional bias of what the market is and will be like in this week. Now what I want you to do is make sure you are part of the live trading session with me, 1 p.m. GMT plus 1. It's every Mondays, and we'll also be holding this Monday. So make sure you don't miss it. In that live trading class, I'm able to trade with you live and show you things that you may not see in the weekly analysis. So that's the reason why you should clear your schedule, you should get ready, you should prepare and be a part of that live trading class. Okay, one more thing is, don't forget to subscribe to our VIP channel. For those of you who want to learn about trading, you want to improve your trading skill, you want to add to your portfolio more, understanding about the market, then KFC Trading Academy has got what you need. And also, I tell you that we are partnering with 4 Traders. 4 Traders is a proprietary firm that offers you capital sufficient for you to trade. So there's master account, which you just pay and the account is given to you with just a few restrictions on what you should lose per day overall. You're able to trade that account with specific targets, and you're able to make withdrawal. And then we have the 1-step challenge, of which the account gives you a target to hit for a 1-step, and you get funded, and then you can be able to make your first withdrawal. Then we have the 2-step, which is just like the 1-step, but this time around 2-step with 2 different targets, and the 3-step. Now take note, the instant account is more expensive. The 1-step is cheaper than the instant, the 2-step is cheaper, and the 3-step is cheaper. So all of these are created specially to make getting capital easy for you. And how do you get on board on 4 Traders? Look at the description out of this video, go to the comment section, you find our links and our referral code. Get registered, get started. Every new person on 4 Trader has got a good 30% discount off all charges, and I hope that will help you to get funded. See you during the weekly analysis, during the live trading class. Have a great week. Make sure you make money. See you.